Hey, it's MK, and this morning I am sharing with you guys our first kit, conspiracy kit, that we will be using. This was a kit from Pretty Little Studios that I picked and chose a couple pieces. This isn't the entire collection that they offer, but it is from the Comfort and Joy collection from Pretty Little Studios. And so I've got all the papers spread out. They're all single-sided, but I thought I would start with the papers because they seem to take the longest. So we've got this gorgeous piece of paper. Now, this is a pretty cool Christmas collection because it doesn't really read Christmas a whole lot. Like this one here, yes, it's got the Christmas colors, but it could definitely be read as just a really cool outdoorsy layout because of the deer and everything, the colors, everything. This could totally be changed into something outdoorsy. Then, of course, we've got the candy stripe because I'm a sucker for stripes, you guys. This has a very teeny tiny pinstripe of pink inside of these specific stripes. Like I said, it is single-sided. This chevron here is kind of cool because I like that it is an elongated chevron, so you only get the 2 stripes instead of a bunch. And then inside it's got these tiny little stars embedded in it, so I really do like that as well. These polka dots were amazing too because I like the grunge effect of the polka dots because it's not a whole lot. So you've got the dark green, the light green, and then mixed in is this light off-white, I guess, and then you can see a little bit of music notes, a little bit of stars. I mean, just the more you keep looking, the more you find. It's like a Where's Waldo paper, but it's kind of cool. This ledger paper is really cool too. It does say Christmas because you've got the where is it, December 25, and then the word Christmas Town, merry and bright down in here. This cluster is kind of cool. These ones can all be covered up with photos and whatnot, depending on how you use the paper. But this up here really isn't Christmassy at all. It just kind of has illegible words. This says joy up in here. But other than that, it's not really, and the holly, of course, it's not really a Christmas paper, but it is Christmas-y because of a couple of the things that you can read, but you can easily hide those if you choose to. And I'm not trying to sell this either way. It's a really good Christmas collection. I am definitely not trying to sell this as a non-Christmas collection. Here is this really cool tree, and they're brown and black, like all the neutrals. It is so cool, and a little bit of gray, the stars. I mean, I love this piece of paper. Then we've got the stripes. The stripes have the mint in them, the brown in them, the peachy pink, a little bit of orange, and then the dark green inside. So there is that one. The stars are the exact same. You've got the same colors, that little light pink. I believe it's black, and then the pine, the mint, and the brown. It's a little different. There's no orange in that one as the stripes are. And then this one here is kind of cool. It's two-tone. It's got the whole story of 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, and then this gorgeous paper on the other sides, like grammar lines. Then we've got a buffalo plaid. I love this because it's not straight on. It's at an angle. I love that. I just really do. And then I have this amazing wreath paper. I love all the, looks like thrown glitter all over, the cute little bird, the kind of hand-drawn polar bear, and then you've got this adorable little deer. Look, Bambi made an appearance. Very cute. A couple Christmas words down here, but other than that, oh, Merry Christmas over here. I don't really see a whole lot of Christmas in this paper, but it is still absolutely adorable. I love this kit because of how non-traditional Christmas it really is. So then I've got this one here that is kind of like a collage. Whoops, sorry. That it's got at the top, ledger in the middle, and then down at the bottom. So a good border paper. Good mix of border paper. Then the kit also comes with 2 11-inch wreaths. So the first one has these cool little houses and greenery all around it, gorgeous flowers, all this stuff. I just couldn't decide which wreath I wanted, so I picked both. And then you've got this one here. It's more Christmassy. It has, I think this is the way that it goes because it's got the cute little deer going this way, and if you turned it any other way, him and his trees would be crooked. But you've got all the little animals tucked in and hidden within all of the baubles and things like that of Christmas. So I just really like that full wreath. Then we have this one here. This one is the Joyful Mix of die cuts. And inside here, which I should have opened beforehand. Okay, so inside here we've got candy canes and banner pieces, the hearts, a couple tags, which they're throughout this whole thing, some hot cocoa icons, some stamp images of deer. Oh, those are so cute. Then we have the little words. I like how small the little words are, actually, because they're good tucking pieces. Lots of banner pieces going on here. A couple stars, some trees, just a good mix of all the things, right? Tucking pieces and whatnot. Little word pieces, lots of tabs this time. That's cool. Some more hearts, some more stamps. I'm trying to go super fast on this so I don't spend half an hour. Cute little bird. Oh, that's cool. The top of your coffee instead of the sides of them. So that's kind of cool. Oh my god, look at that little squirrel. Then we've got tickets. Tickets are always good for tucking. So there are those. More tabs. That is a lot of tabs. We've got a hedgehog. Oh my god, he's so cute. I need to stop saying that. I'm sorry. More little triangular banner pieces, or I guess are they bunting, banner? I don't know. Then we've got a gingerbread house, gingerbread cookie, gingerbread snowflake. This tree is beautiful, how it was painted. Oh my goodness. More coffee. Oh, this deer is cute. Oh my goodness, this is cute. That is cute. And then a couple more triangular banner pieces and hearts. Okay, so that is the Joyful Mix. And then let me pull out another piece of paper that hopefully won't be so distracting, so that way I don't have to put all this stuff away. We've got the Spruced Up label dies, and inside here, okay, again, all from Comfort and Joy. So inside here we've got all of the colors. We've got the yellow, the brown, which is kind of a khaki, a light blue, the pine, the mint, the black, and the pink. And they come in these long rectangles, as well as these ones that have the little ticketed corners. And then you've got a couple of these, not all the colors in these, but a couple that are kind of like downward tabs. I'm not really sure what you would call those. Almost like file labels. And then you have a couple, again, not all, but a couple of these large journaling strips. Okay, so we've got those to play with. Then we have more trees, because I'm a sucker for trees, you guys. I really am. And this one is called Evergreen Trees. So, and in case I forget to mention, all of these, sorry, oh, it's time to go. All of these kits are available in my shop. I will keep the link down below for this one. But this one has all of these trees, and I think they're all the same size. I don't think that there's two different sizes or anything. But they're just these cool little, almost like fabric-y, because they're all stitched on the side. So you've got all of those. You've got a couple, oh, thought that was backwards. You got a couple stars in here to go, and I've picked star paper. That's awesome. So lots and lots of trees in this package. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of trees. I'm just fanning them out to see if there's any more stars. There we go. That's a lot of trees. I didn't realize there was that many trees in there. Doesn't look like that many on the package. Anyways, and then we've got these two little tickets cut apart. So this one's tickets and this one is the wordy bits, okay? And I like these because they're more of winter rather than Christmas, you know, because Christmas is like a day and then winter is a season, right? And I think I have more pictures of winter than I do of Christmas. So I try to take a lot of pictures for Christmas only because I'm a scrapbooker, but and then last but not least, I have these here. They're die cut greenery and florals called Centerpiece. And there's all these little leaves and things, berries, pine cones. They are a lot larger than I thought they were going to be, but they are still absolutely gorgeous. I love these colors. They're on the muted side, just beautiful, okay? So we've got a couple of these rolled roses. Oh my goodness. And then cotton as well. So absolutely beautiful. Little star, something or another's. Some more roses, berries, lots in this one too. Holy cow. So I like all the pieces. I like the pre-made clusters, but I like the make your own clusters as well. So that is very, very pretty. So we have this, and I do believe this is last year's collection, if I'm not mistaken. So cotton balls, and then more of the rolled roses, and then there's that one, and then there's this like swag piece. So very, very cute collection. Lots to work with, tons of paper. I mean, this is just a fabulous, fabulous kit. I will be working with this kit for a whole week during our Kit Conspiracy Week, and then I will be back on next, what is that, Thursday? Is today Thursday? I will be back next Thursday to share the next kit with you guys, and then I will create layouts using those. Now, I don't plan on using this for Christmas. I actually have some non-traditional ways to use this paper, if I'm being honest, because I didn't want to do all of my Christmas layouts and then I don't have anything for next month for my wood grain and winter series. Or our wood grain and winter series. All right, don't forget to go check out Janet Fritz's channel, who's Galaxy Girl Creations, over on YouTube to see what she thinks of this marvelous kit and all that good stuff. But like I said, if you're interested in this kit, it is available over on my shop. The link is down below, and I will check you guys all later. All right, see ya.